Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Google Sites on your phone, sign in with the account you'll publish from, and pick a template that matches your goal. Once done, tap the plus or New Site button to create a workspace, and make sure to name the site immediately so autosave labels correctly. You should upload your logo and one hero image now, because images lock layout. Gathering short page titles and a contact email keeps you moving without pausing to search for assets. You continue by adding the essential pages: home, about, contact, using the pages icon, and reorder them so navigation makes sense. Then, create sections on each page. Pick a header type, add a title, and choose a 2-column or single-column layout to control flow. Once sections exist, insert text blocks for concise headings and paragraphs, add images with alt text, and place buttons or links for calls to action. This structured approach keeps mobile view tidy and responsive. You finish by tapping Publish, choose a site address and visibility, private or public, then confirm. Once published, preview the mobile view and swipe through each page to test links, forms, and buttons. Make sure images, scale, and text is readable without zooming. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, reduce large image file sizes, and verify the Google account permissions. If a page won't update, republish after making a small change. This forces a refresh and usually resolves sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.